Hey guys, Technometry here today to do a review and unboxing of a iPhone battery that I bought on eBay. There's a bunch of parts out there on eBay for your phone if you're looking to replace a part, and there's tons of YouTube video that you can do the replacement yourself. You don't want to pay the expensive price at the Apple store, but it does invalidate your warranty, so that's a fair warning to you guys. So I wanted to go ahead and kind of show you guys what kind of battery you can buy for your iPhone on eBay. This is, I believe, for iPhone 6s that I bought for under $10. It came in a few days, so we'll go ahead and kind of open it up. So it came in this yellow envelope, as you can see. Let's go ahead and kind of open it up. So on eBay, if you guys are looking for parts, I have a link to the discounted parts down there for batteries and other parts like screens and cameras and whatnot. The thing to remember here is that when you're buying from eBay, make sure the seller has a lot of ratings and that they've sold a lot of the units, and that they offer like a 30 or 60-day return policy. That way you can return if you have issues with the product. Other thing to note for is that when you're buying parts for your phone, sometimes they'll include the toolkit for it. Make sure you read the description to see what's included. So here, as you can see, for the battery, they gave us adhesive strips so that when I replace the battery, I can put that on, and then just the battery itself with the thing to replace it. This one didn't come with the any of the tools for it, but most of them will come with a tool. If you look in the description, something of this nature, where they give you like the suction cup and the other little tools that you can use to kind of do the replacement. So if you need the tools, make sure that in the description it says tools included or as part of it. If you don't get the tools, obviously it's a bit cheaper, but I had the tools, so I didn't have to buy the tools here. So go ahead and check out the link in the description if you guys are looking for parts on eBay to replace for your phone. See, as you can see, this one, it is like OEM, I believe. Not the genuine one, but it was under $10, so worth it. And I'll have a video on to show you guys how to replace this if you check out on my channel. Hope this video helped seeing what kind of batteries you can get from eBay. If this video helped, please hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys.